Yo, what's the word? It's Sean Graphics coming at you with a little tutorial right quick. I know some of y'all want to get into graphic design, learn how to make logos or art covers or whatever. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a little art cover right quick. Step by step, taking you through the process. But before we get started, I'm going to need you to like, comment, subscribe. And also follow and share because I'm going to be posting this on YouTube and Instagram. So yeah, y'all make sure y'all show y'all support so I can be able to keep making content like this for y'all. I know y'all fucking with it. So yeah, pass all that. Let's get straight into it. So I'm making a cover for PicsArt. So I'm going to start off by searching PicsArt in Safari. You want to change your search filters to large so that way you find a good, clean image and not something blurry. Once you're done doing that and you find your image, you load your image into Photoroom. That should automatically remove your background. After the background is removed, you load the original image into CapCut and then load the background removed image over the original image. After you have it lined up evenly, you adjust the shine and the brightness and the exposure, etc. to make sure that you get a color or a fade that you like. You know what I mean? And after you do that, you want to get your text in there. I started off by putting in the name of the artist. I used the color picker thing to detect the color of his face to use the same color in the lettering. I also positioned the word behind his head so it would look like it was coming from, like a 3D perspective. But after I had that positioned, I just moved on to the actual song name. I just decided to name it Federal Contraband 3.0 since PicsArt already got 2 songs and named Federal Contraband. I've moved the Federal Contraband behind him and saved the image so I can load it into Canva so that way I can change the way that it looks at the bottom. I added a black fade so that way the white letters will stand out a little bit better. I moved it around a little bit, played with it a little bit until I got it positioned the way I wanted it to be positioned, the way I imagined it in my head. And then after that, I saved it and moved it back into CapCut. I put the new image in front of everything except for the Federal Contraband at the bottom. I made sure everything was lined up how I wanted it to be. After I got everything positioned, I needed to add the 3.0 next to the Federal Contraband. But I ended up finding a whole bitter font that I fucked with, so I just changed it out completely. I used the color picker thing to get the same exact color again for the letters at the bottom. After that, I duplicated it, and then I deleted the Federal Contraband, moved the 3.0 to the end of the other Federal Contraband, deleted the Federal Contraband, and kept that in the same place and changed the color to white. And then I went back behind the image, pulled the shiesty to the front, positioned that. After I got that positioned, I changed the color to white and then zoomed in to, make sure that it's perfectly positioned. And then after that, I zoomed out and it was pretty much done from there. It was just a few more things that needed to be added, so I saved it and moved it into PicsArt. My batteries got done flaming the gas. I'm a little lagged right now. But yeah, I just went through a couple effects and played with a couple levels and changed contrast, saturation, the lines, and brightness and things like that. So after that, I realized I didn't want none of that shit. So I just undid it and then went out of effects and went into the mask. And I chose this mask called DST9. I put it on lighten and I put it on 60 opacity. Then I chose another mask called R15, put it on 15 opacity and put it on lighten as well. If you miss anything, feel free to rewind it. I'm trying to go fast enough to fit this inside an Instagram reel as well. So I downloaded a parental advisory logo from Wikipedia on Safari. Then I inserted my Sean Graphics logo next to it. I lined it up perfectly and then I was done. And here's the final product. I want you guys to leave a rating from 1 to 10 in the comments down below. Once again, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow this on Instagram. Yeah. Let me know if y'all fuck with the type of content. Let me know if you need some more insights. I might start a little Discord if this starts to gain a little bit of traction. Like a little community, family type shit, type vibe. Just to, build a family of creators, to bounce off each other, make ideas. So, yeah.